Z5 time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This particular one, 1999 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, just a little over 62,000 on this particular car. Triple black, black roof, black interior, black exterior. Let's take a look at the front fascia. We're going to go ahead and put that roof up at the end of the video. We're also going to take this car for a drive. So stick around to the very end. If you want to take your time looking through the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there, and of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the polished 5-spoke wheels. As far as paint, you got to remember, the car is 25 years old, and paint shows well. Has a nice shine to it. Don't get me wrong there. Wouldn't be afraid to get out and take this car to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, just take it out and drive it. But it is black. There's going to be a few touch-ups, spots on the hood, maybe a light kind of swirl in the clear here or there. But again, consider the age and it's black. Best of all, though, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles. Let's look down the passenger side of this car. And remember, on the still pictures, be able to see the underside pics, engine bay, trunk, interior. Of course, LS1 power, 5.7 liter, this particular one, automatic with overdrive transmission. Heads-up display, all your modern amenities, electronic dual climate control. It also comes with like a seat cover. And what exactly it says on here is 97 to 01 seat savers in black, just so you know. So to me, it looked like a kind of a canvas style seat cover. Be great to have on a black interior convertible. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email, and there you can get an idea. Black paint has a nice shine to it. See the reflection of the roof. Ceiling in our building here, I should say. If you like Corvettes in general, maybe you like late model muscle cars, maybe you like old school muscle cars, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here. Videos are uploaded daily. These vehicles are available to purchase. Sorry about the noise in the background. We have a little construction going on, getting ready for a car show we have coming up. Like I was saying, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here. The vehicles are available to purchase on our website and or right off our showroom floor if you can make it in person. Love to see you. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. Bose stereo system. Of course, your modern amenities with the memory seating, power mirrors, power locks, power windows, power seat. Take a look at the wear on the seats. Say not bad at all. AM, FM, CD player, again, the electronic dual climate control. Heads-up display controllers over here, driver's information center. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Let's hear it run. We're also going to put that convertible top up. There's your exact miles, 62,544. No warning indicators, check engine lights, anything like that. It was a cold start. Appears the gauges are working. There's your heads-up display. And of course, that can always be turned off if you don't like it. It can always be adjusted brightness-wise up and down, as you can see there. Very handy once you get used to it. Top of the dash, looking good. I didn't play around with the stereo earlier. Let's check this out. Stereo system working.
My nipples, it's freezing out there.
Let's take a peek at the headlights. The gears and those are all good. Came up just fine, both of them working. Headlights, working order. Power antenna, left the radio on, check that out. Power antenna's out. Let's listen to it. Nothing crazy exhaust-wise. Good sounding Corvette. All right, let me pause this. Actually, with this is going to be easy. Let's just pop the hood and check it out. Little wear separation on that hood liner. Not a huge deal. And how about engine bay? Nice, clean, and tidy here. Again, 5.7 liter LS1, automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. Take a peek over here on the passenger side. Nothing out of the ordinary there. And we do have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. If you can't make it to see this one yourself, try to represent them as fairly as we can with the walk-around video, the driving video, and of course all the pictures. And then again, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles. Let's go ahead and I'll demonstrate the top going up. It is a manual top. One person can put it up extremely easy. And we'll show you the condition of that. And as you can see, easy enough to put the top up on these. One person from the same side of the car. Now for the condition, nice tight fit above the windshield. Also rolled up the side glass. You can see that that fits as it should. I've not noticed any rips, tears, holes. Glass rear window with defog. And passenger side. Side glass rolled up. Fits nicely. Again, no rips, tears, holes. Doesn't look like this top's actually been up a whole lot, which I can understand if you owned a convertible Corvette. Why would you want it up? All right, I will show you how easily it is to fold that back up. Put it into the storage compartment. We'll wrap up this video. And like I said earlier, stick around to the very end. We're going to take this car for a quick drive. And there it is, just like that, top down. 1999 Chevrolet Corvette triple black convertible, clean Carfax, actual miles. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1999 Chevrolet Corvette. Black on black. The odometer is showing 62,542 miles. This is a automatic right on the center console. We have a heads-up display on the windshield. Very nice acceleration in this Corvette. Of course, very nice handling as well. Tight steering. All our gauges do appear to be working and are in good zones. The oil pressure is 50 right now. Temperature about 180. This is a convertible, and we do have the top up currently. Letting go of the wheel, this car stays nice and straight in the lane. Looks like leather bucket seats in there, very comfortable. This is that era where Corvettes were very affordable for the amount of performance you could get. Seems like this corners very well, as every Corvette should. Kicking down that automatic transmission, you do feel the torque. Very fun car to drive. Nice, I would say 62,000 is low miles. Nice low mile Corvette. Check out all the pictures and learn more about this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.